Through this festival, and with the support of our Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Forest Minister, we have driven a true transformation. One that brings together farmers, distillers, cashew processors, cashew industrialists, large scale, small scale processors, the food and beverage industry, researchers, government departments, and young entrepreneurs. We are filled with a deep sense of pride to see that the world is now recognizing the uniqueness of Goan cashews. For generations, our traditional Feni, the very soul of Goa spirit, was undervalued. There was a time not long ago that a bottle of Feni was sold in the market for 100-150 rupees, confined largely to local markets. But together, we have changed this entire narrative. With the strength of the GI tag that our Cashew Feni received just a couple of years back, our focused efforts to position Feni as a heritage spirit began, and it has now stepped into the global stage with pride. Being labelled a country liquor initially, Feni has now earned its place on all the fine dining menus and the shelves of reputed retailers, a transformative driven by sustained efforts, awareness drives, and a collective belief in its true value. However, with recognition comes responsibility, and we have seen instances of adulteration and the sale of non-Goan cashews as Goan cashews, driven by high demand and limited local supply. We ensured firm action with the assistance of the FDA officials through intensified FDA surveillances and enforcement. With over 578 inspections conducted, substandard stock of almost 1,200 kilos seized, and fines worth almost 5 lakhs imposed, these efforts have already led to the elimination of practices such as the sale of oily and low quality mixed nuts that used to see in the coastal belts almost to zero as of today.